So today we're going to be looking at our newly launched modelling chocolate products. So just remove the outer sleeve, and on the sleeve you will see the instructions of how to use it step by step. There is also a QR code that you can use for QR apps, and that'll take you straight to a demonstration video. So once you've done this, we're just going to put this into the microwave and we're going to soften it for 15 seconds. These instructions are all on the back. And 15 seconds just allows it to still be firm but slightly pliable, as you can see. So then just take out a piece of the modelling chocolate that you need. So I'm just going to take a couple of pieces. So once you've got the modelling chocolate, just knead it then so it's still all mixed in together, and we're going to roll this out. Now the beauty of this is you don't need icing sugar or corn flour. It won't stick to the rolling pin, won't stick to the board. It's completely clean and simple and easy to use. It's fantastic for children and it tastes amazing. So once you've got the thickness that you need, just take any cutter. So I'm going to take a little rocking horse, which would be great for christening cakes or children's birthday cakes. And I'll just show you, but if you have a look at this little rocking horse, all the fine detail is in there as well. So the consistency allows all of that to imprint. So if you have a look, I'll just bring it close to the camera. You'll see that the eye, the hair, the legs, everything's all there. It's really that simple to use. So now let's try another shape. So for example, let's make a cloud. So just get the cloud cutter. So this is just a simple cloud. Obviously you could color this. That'll be our next video. But it's really easy and it's nice and clean. No jagged edges. Very simple to use. And it's non-sticky to the touch. It's really that easy. Now let's just try another shape. So for example, we'll try a star. So these are great for cupcakes and cakes. And the beauty of this, guys, is that it actually tastes really good and it's really simple to use. It's not sweet and sugary like icings or fondants. It's a chocolate, which just makes it so much better. So the beauty of this as well is if you wanted to stand up this cloud with fondant, you'd have to let it set and put a strengthener in overnight. With this, you simply just cut out your shape. As you can see, it's slightly firm as well. And you just take another piece. You don't need any glue, you don't need any water, and this will mold straight into the back of the shape and allow it to stand up. It's that simple. It's so easy to use, modelling chocolate. We've launched it now in Pettitts and SuperValus across Wexford and Wicklow, and it retails at £3.95.